I think this is an evolution, right? If you look back 10, 15 years back, automation was a new thing. And then came analytics. Now, if you talk about automation analytics, it's a given in any part of the enterprise process area, whether it's in the planning, whether it's in finance, whether it's in the manufacturing, you see the evolution matured in those aspects of it. I think now we are in that inflection point of AI becoming the next big disruptor in this whole ecosystem of supply chain and enterprise decision making. But I think while there is an opportunity where I think AI will have a bottleneck or might have issues in terms of effectively predicting things, would be where things are really not unprecedented, right? I mean, there are a lot of high impact disruptions, which we call as Black Swan events. I mean, COVID was one example. We are going through a huge crisis in the Middle East, planes not able to take off from one place to another. How do we really plan for those events? I think that's where AI will struggle. The effectiveness of the decision making itself will start breaking down if there are new scenarios which are evolving in this world, right? I mean, we don't know what's going to happen or what is the next pandemic that's going to come and hit us. I think the historical data not being there in some of those decisions or specific scenarios are going to create a bottleneck for AI, right? But I think the real issue with AI would be the lack of common sense, right? I mean, in my parlance, the way I talk about AI is AI without common sense. It's just A. There is no I in it. There is no intelligence, right? It really cannot interpret what a human who has a sensitive data in a business or in overall market can really do. I think that's where AI has to stop stepping in and kind of upping the game in front of human. We hear a lot about human in the loop, but the way I twist that is, it's more about AI in the loop. I don't think human population can be replaced with this evolution, but I think we can make better productive decisions with AI in the loop, right? That's where I want this market to kind of take off.